Welcome everybody to Cajun Breakers. We're doing a new product. We got 2023 Panini Contenders Optic NFL hobby boxes. We got 3 of them. This is break 1, and we will do break 2 following this. So we're gonna open up the new case and see what we got. And we'll do 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this will be quick. Not many cards in here. Make sure everything is good. Let's get it.
You see those?
Hold on.
You see them real quick?
Hold on one sec. All right. Cool. Sorry about that. We have to scan them for inventory. And there are 2 autographs in each box. And there's 1 pack. I don't know how these are, like, the order they are. So, and everything, of course, will be top loaded. We got Jahmyr Gibbs. Some thick cards. Matthew Stafford. We got a, it's like a blue. Jalen Hyatt. It's an auto. I don't want to. Let's see. Blue is $2.99. I'm gonna top load all these. Let's see. Backwards is auto. Tyler Scott for the Bears. And we got the Bears tonight. David Carter. I'm just gonna put it like that for a second. I'm probably gonna need some thicker top loaders tonight. Some 75s. These are like some thicker cards. We got Xavier Hutchinson for the Texans on the auto. Not numbered. And we have a die cut. That's nice. Fred Warner for the 49ers. X's and O's. And that one is numbered to 30. That's sweet. 49ers are Vern. And then yeah, this is the so I guess this is the 2 base, the numbered. Okay, I'm seeing how it's going. We'll learn. We'll figure it all out together. So there will be a couple of base, 2 autos. Just barely made it. I gotta start practicing like Taylor does and throwing my boxes in the trash behind us. It's about 10 feet away. I'm not as confident in my shooting skills left-handed like he is. He's left-handed. I'm not left-handed. So we got a Will Levis on the base. Jordan Love on the base. Looks like a refractor or a silver, whatever you want to call them. And that is not numbered. Yeah, like a silver prism. Then we got to 49 or 99, a blue, Sean Clifford, Taylor's favorite player. For Green Bay, Matthew Lang. I guess I'm gonna have to, for the last box again. I'll have to learn this. Flip the two cards because all three on the back. So another Fred Warner, same except a different parallel on the X's and O's, and then a Deontay Banks auto. That is weird. Two Fred Warners, same X's and O's card. So you got two different versions of that card now. There's not much, not many cards in this break. And the last box. Chat kind of went quiet. Yes, Jason was saying he couldn't hear me. Anybody else? Can y'all hear us? I think so. Just making sure. It just went quiet all of a sudden. And I missed that one. 2 out of 3. All right, there you go, Jason. Thanks. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with Facebook. Aiden O'Connell on the base. Devonta Smith on the base. Joe Burrow blue. Then I'll go ahead and flip it. Amara St. Brown for the X's and O's. I guess this is the insert you get in every pack, the X's and O's. I don't know. I mean, maybe that's what we did. All right. So then on the silver, hollow, whatever you want to call it, Nolan Smith for the Eagles. Burn, Loesch. And then if this is a red, this is a low number, or I don't know if it's just a color. Michael Mayer to 125. I thought that was the 5. I saw that red. Usually red means really low, but Raiders, Lindsey. Okay, Jason, you get an X's and O's in every pack. Okay, I wasn't sure if that was the specific insert or if it was different inserts. They're pretty neat. I like that way that football helmet thing looks. And then this silver prism, Nolan Smith, not numbered. Yes, Jason, we do have the Star Wars hobby. If you want personals, they're $130 a box, I believe. Yep, $130. We did a whatnot break today. I had mentioned to Nick that there was some interest in doing one maybe on Facebook. I don't know if we will or not. Maybe tomorrow. That's up to him. So I think they pulled some decent stuff today. I think they did a half case. So that's it. That was a quick break, and we got a few minutes, and I'll do a recap. We had the Joe Burrows blue. We had the Amon-Ra St. Brown. We had the silver silver Michael Wilson. The X's and O's Fred Warner. I think that was a silver prism. A Jalen Hyatt blue, and then we had the other Fred Warner, a green X's and O's to 30. And then the autos, we had a silver Nolan Smith, hollow whatever. We had a red Michael Mayer, that was to, I think 125. Deontay Banks, blue Sean Clifford. Instead of the red Sean Clifford, the blue Sean Clifford. Xavier Hutchins, and that's a silver prism as well. And then a Tyler Scott. So that is break one. We'll have the second break coming up shortly in about 5 minutes. Thank you very much, and may the force be with you always.